class, we started our new unit, that is changes wrought by iron. And also we learnt about Aryans. Today, we are going to start a new topic.
Towards the Gangetic play. We know that later Vedic period is the period during which human life as depicted in the Sama, Yajur and other Vedas existed. The Aryans who had been cattle rearers in the Rigvedic period reached the Gangetic plain in the later Vedic period. The Gangetic valley is the area surrounding river Ganga. Conflict between tribes, emergence of new tribes, and growth in population were the main reasons for the migration to the Gangetic Plain. Let's look upon what are the features of Gangetic Plain. First one is dense forest. Second one, fertile alluvial soil. Third one, plenty of rain. Which metals were used by the Aryans to make tools and weapons when they migrated to the Gangetic Plain? It was very difficult for them to clear the trees and till the hard soil using their tools made of copper and bronze. So they set fire to jungles for clearing the area. However, the stems of burnt trees hindered their way forward. It was necessary for them to have a harder metal to make more effective tools and implements, and this led to the invention of iron. The Gangetic Plain was rich in iron ore deposit. With the invention of iron, the people of the Gangetic Plain made harder weapons and implements with which they could easily clear the jungles. They used iron ploughs for tilling hard soil. Agriculture became the prime occupation. The period in which iron implements were used is known as Iron Age. Children, what are the major impacts of the shift from cattle rearing to agriculture? First one, beginning of settled life. Second one, increase in agriculture production. Third one, exchange of surplus products. The earthenware used by the people of later Vedic period is known as painted graveware. The remnants of a few such pots are seen in your textbook. When people began to lead a settled life, some changes were brought about in their social life. The society got divided into four based on occupation: the Brahmins, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, and the Shudras. The stratification is known as Chaturvarnya. Children, do you remember the name of god and goddesses worshipped in the Rigvedic period? Yes, in the later Vedic period, this mode of worship lost its importance and instead yagas become important. Most of the yagas involved animal sacrifice on a large scale. Some features of the Rigvedic and later Vedic periods are given below. Read them carefully and write down the relevant period in the space provided. Now, discuss a human life in Tamilakam during the Iron Age. Kerala was a part of Tamilakam during that period. In the ancient period, South Indian regions were generally known as Tamilakam. This period called megaliths, big stones of different shapes placed over the graves in ancient Tamilakam. Remnants of iron tools and implements, earthenware, grains, and other objects used during that period have been found in such graves. These megaliths are evidences of human life in ancient America. Hence, the period is known as megalithic age. From the textbook, we can see some pictures. These are the tools and weapons used during the megalithic age. All of them were made of iron.
Children, this is all for today. Hope you all understand today's class and thank you.